If you don't see the master track in the mixer panel, then you may have accidentally hidden it. Start by opening the mixer panel. As you can see, the master track is missing. To bring it back, move your mouse to the left side of the mixer panel. Slowly move it across until your cursor changes to a plus sign with double-sided arrows. Be careful not to confuse it with the regular double-sided arrows that appear when you're resizing the mixer window. You're looking for the plus sign. Once you see it, left-click with your mouse. The master track will now reappear on the left side of the mixer panel. Now let's talk about another case. If you right-click on the master track, you'll see options to dock it to the middle or to the right. If you dock it to the right and then accidentally hide it, you'll need to repeat a similar step. Move your mouse over to the right side of the mixer panel. Wait for the cursor to turn into that same plus sign. Then left-click once again and the master track will come back. That's all you need to do to fix the missing mixer slots in FL Studio. Thanks for watching.